Secondly, is once you now have done that evaluation, is to really understand, do you have a suitable person or individual internally that we refer to as a ringleader? It's not a bad thing. It's not a mafia boss, or anyone like that, or a hitman. It's somebody that has influence and that can clearly articulate. Specifically, if you're a data leader that isn't able to clearly articulate value or why you need to do something, the ringleader is the person that helps you bring that message home to the powers that be and the investors and the rest of the people that you need to get support from. And so, firstly, is understanding the organization, how ready you are. Secondly, is then finding that ringleader. And then thirdly, is the process around identifying those value generating initiatives. What are the key things that your business needs to do or is focused on, that will really drive value and impact for your business? And here we are very pedantic about it to a great extent. Where what are those determinate things? Because we always go back to the warm and fluffy feelings, and but we
Mhm.
can do this and we can enable this. So we try and steer the wording away to say, but if you enable something, what is it that you're actually solving for, or what is it that you're actually enabling? So if you're enabling this, surely there should be some value down the line.